Hello friends, today I'm showing you how to make this delicious creamy garlic butter salmon recipe. It's packed with flavor and very easy to make. Let's get started. We're using skinless salmon for this recipe and we're going to start by seasoning them with salt and black pepper. Once the salmon has been very well seasoned, we're going to sear them. So we're going to heat up some oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the salmon as soon as the oil gets very hot. We're going to cook the salmon for 3 minutes on one side, then turn them over and cook them for another 3 minutes on the other side. Once the salmon fillets have cooked, take them out of the pan, then set them aside for later. Next, we're going to make a delicious garlic butter sauce for the salmon, so melt some butter in the pan. Once the butter has melted, add some minced garlic, then saute the garlic for about 30 seconds or until it gets fragrant. Next, we're going to add some all-purpose flour. Whisk the flour in and cook for about a minute just to brown it up a little. Then we're going to add some chicken broth. Whisk everything together and cook until the mixture thickens. Then we're going to add some heavy cream. If you want this a little healthier, you can use half and half instead of heavy cream. Next, we're going to add some dried basil, dried parsley, red pepper flakes, onion powder, and garlic powder. We're also adding Parmesan cheese and chicken bouillon cube. Go ahead and mix everything together, get everything very well incorporated. Then we're going to add some spinach. I already went ahead and chopped up my spinach. We're going to add it to the sauce. Mix the spinach in with the sauce and let it cook for about 2 minutes until it wilts down. I don't think you're gonna need any salt for the sauce, but you can taste for salt and add more as needed. Go ahead and place the seared salmon into the sauce. Then we're going to allow the salmon to cook in the sauce for about 1 minute. And as the salmon is cooking, you're going to keep basting it with the creamy sauce. This creamy garlic butter salmon recipe is so delicious when served over rice. It's such a delicious meal, and if you guys would like to make this, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.